Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we will show you how to remove and replace license plate tag light on Mazda CX-7. Stay with us, guys. We're gonna go ahead and show you now. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together, and if you need a video for that Mazda, we have at least 50 of them on our channel and many more to come, so check them out. What we will need to do, guys, we will need to open the trunk lid. Okay, and that's where the light bulbs are located. So what we're going to do, let me get the camera there so you can see. It's a little bit sunshine. You can see, unsnap it from there. And you need to pull the glass out. Okay, towards the bottom. Okay, that's the glass. Okay, you can see that where it attaches. Two things on the side. So you need to, okay, let's get a good view. You need to spread those things right here to release it, and now the bulb is inside. So let's go ahead and pull the bulb out. It might be stuck there. Okay, we almost have it out. Okay, like that. Very inconvenient. It's a little bit hard to reach. What you do with the bulb, you just pull it straight up. You don't need to twist it or anything like that. Don't twist left, right. Just pull straight out. And when you get the new one, you just install it the same way. Okay, and when you get the new bulb, all you have to do, just push it in. It goes only one way. Okay, and this side will be identical. And this side will be identical like the left side. So it's a little bit limited room, but it's doable. Now we need to get the glass in the right way. So we'll show you how to do that now. Okay, it goes in an angle first around the bulb. You can see. Okay, almost there. And you need to click to close it. You hear it snap there. Okay, one side is in. And now just one more to go there. Alright guys, and it's just in like that. It goes only one way. Make sure you get it right, otherwise it's not going to work. So thank you guys for watching. That will be the whole procedure. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.